What's up guys, welcome back. So today we have Peace by Taylor Swift, and this one is really a piece to play on the guitar. We have this going throughout the whole song. Just got down right now, it took me 24 hours to figure out all the song, man. It was really a hard time. I still left it too. I don't know how but I have to cover it by today. I mean by within the next 2 hours. Doesn't matter, just have a look at this. So we start off like this. So let's dive straight into the lesson. No chords, just a bass riff we have. Sounds super mellow. It actually sounds too good to me. It's super easy to play. So just have a look at the tab. First part, a hammer around from 3 to 5 on the A string, third fret on the D string, slide from 5 to 7 on the D string, back to 5 on the D string. So we got next part is exactly same, but instead of the 5 on the D string, you will play 3 on the D string. So we got instead of the 5 you play over here. So we got now this one we have. So we play second fret on the D string first, third fret on the D string, second fret on the G string together, and we do a hammer on at the same time on the G string, third fret with our ring. Then we play 5/5 on the G and D. Then we play 8 on the D and 7 on the G. So we got, and then we play 3 and 2 on the G and D, slide down to 8 and 7 on the D and G, and come back to 3 and 2 on the D and G. So yeah. And after that, we actually repeat this part 2 more times. Again, sorry, and then the next part is just a little bit different. We just go to the song. So over here we play third and second on the G and D, hammer on the third fret of the G string, then you play 5/5 on the G and D, and now you play 7 and 7 on the A and D. And then you play 3 and 2, hammer on top of the G string at the same moment, come back to over here which is 7 and 7. So it's a lot of similarity, just a slight difference in the notes. 7/7 on the G and D string, go back to 3/3 on the D and G, a bit different. Then 3/2 on the D and G, 2/2 on the D and G, open on the G, second fret on the D, third fret on the D, F. So this is done, and after that we actually we just go on with that thing. So it's all about you now. You can just figure it out what all is going. But this was the main riff, so let's play that. That's it, and I'll see you guys back in my next lesson. Please subscribe, working really hard, and bye.